Hey, Bo here. I want to show you something that I have been looking for, and I finally found it. I love creating my own sentiments. I created this one with using these, and then I have these kind of stamps here, but I wanted the reversal where it looks like typewritten on a strip of paper, kind of like in the old days. And I finally found something, and it's from Sussex. And what they do is they reverse the letters and they inset them. So when you stamp, you're stamping everything but the letters. And it kind of looks like the letters come out of one of those little labeling machines. The odd thing is, I don't see that it's called anything. I think you might call it reverse setting, maybe. But that's why I had so much trouble finding it, is because even Sussex, it is called stamps. It's not called anything in particular, but I was so glad that I found it. And I was even going to buy a labeler with black tape to get this on, but found this in time. So I gave it a try. And so this is like the difference in what you get. I thought this would look so neat on a card, this little sentiment. This one was my first stamp, so it's kind of a little bit, the ink didn't grab on everything. But this one was the second one, and it did. And I thought, oh, this would just be so cute, different. And I wish I could tell you what to search for other than to just go to Sussex and look for their, I don't know, reverse stamp. I wish they had a specific name for it. But it's really easy. And what I did here was cut some strips that are about 1/2 inch. And they vary. I was just kind of practicing with it. And this is a little stamp. This is the, I think it's Find Your Wings and Fly that I still have on my little thing here. And then you could stamp it on there. And I just think it's the neatest thing. So I wanted to share that with you. And maybe you can get some for yourself, for your cards. And then come back here and we'll make a card using these darling little sentiments. So subscribe if you want to see more of the things we do. Check out the playlist. Maybe you can find something that's specifically of your interest. And then comment below and give me a hi.